Singapore for Token2049, and today I'm with Cindy from Drift, and we have these amazing cars behind us. Cindy, tell us what is going on.
Yeah. So we wanted to do something really fun this year for Token 2049. There's this meme that, when Lambo, right? And we just thought, okay, this is an amazing opportunity to bring the Lambos to the people who supported Drift from zero to where we are now. Our Lambos are going to be reserved for the biggest traders on our platform and biggest supporters of our network. So if you're holding Drift tokens and staking Drift tokens, you can actually get a ride. We have a McLaren, a Ferrari, and a Porsche as well. So take your pick.
It's very exciting. During Token Dubai, you launched a token.
Absolutely.
And since then, it's just been one thing after the other. What is coming up now?
Yeah, since our token launch in May, I think a lot of projects see token launch as like the start of an end. But for us, we really see it as the beginning of continuing to grow Drift's critical infrastructure on Solana. And part of our evolution is that we started off as a perp dex, like just a way to long and short with 10x leverage, right? But now we've positioned ourselves as more of a critical DeFi infrastructure with a unified cross-collateral pool on top of which you can build an exchange, borrow lend, spot trading, and now prediction markets. So with prediction markets launched in the last month, traders can now leverage on Solana, they can buy Bitcoin. So we wanted to build a platform that fits into our grand mission of being able to trade anything. That's kind of like what we've been up to since token launch.
What's the thing that the users have come to Drift to do more? Like, what's the thing that is most exciting?
We've seen a lot of people use their assets in a capital efficient way. I think a big theme for Drift is really stretching your dollar for as much as you can. So one example is like, when you go to Bybit or other perp dexes, you have to use USD as collateral, right? And if you're bullish, you don't want to sell your Bitcoin or your SOL in order to, buy trade leverage, right? So what we do is that you can actually deposit assets that are not USD, that are earning yields on a platform, and use that to long or short items. So we've actually seen that behavior play out in more sophisticated traders and now even retail traders. Yeah.
That's amazing. What's coming next? What are you trying to hit by the end of the year, let's say?
For us, it's continuing to grow our volumes. We're currently doing 100, 200 mil a day. What would be really successful for me at the end of the year is seeing, constant 1B daily volumes. We just hit 50 billion in total volume. And it will be very bullish for us if we hit another 50 by the end of the year. The second, our big focus is on enabling large trades and large traders to come on our platform. So the launch of more institutional style products. One of our limitations is that being built on an L1 is great. We get to benefit from asset creation and native assets like native USDC and existing infrastructure for wallets and ecosystem. But the problem is, we can't actually get as fast as a centralized exchange. So one thing that we've been working on as a team is figuring out and launching a network that allows you to connect to market makers directly in a gasless way that doesn't require you to post your order on the chain and only settles after it's been fulfilled. So this can actually cut down the settlement time by over half. And I'm very excited to talk more about it at our Breakpoint presentation.
Amazing. Yeah. Yes, Cindy will be at Breakpoint speaking on stage. And right now we're going to get on these cars and take some more photos. I'll see you guys soon.
Cheers. Thank you, Mia.
Hey, what's up?
But it's not something Genzio is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a hive.
No, we do not understand that we do not have.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're back at the Genzio Media House.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us today.